tractors every once in a while need a little help from their friends. The Ram 2500 Jumpstart. I know it's probably not the Golo's fault. It didn't have a fully charged battery on the Golo, so probably weren't getting the maximum boost out of that little battery pack. Another thing that I just picked up last night when I was out shoveling my parents' driveway and I didn't come prepared, I went and bought me some Muck mid-calf boots, and I really have enjoyed them so far. Verdict's still out, but they are keeping my feet warm, unlike the full calf hunting Muck boots that I have. They don't have much insulation in those. These have a little bit more insulation and are supposed to cover you down to single digits below zero or double digits below zero. The other thing are these Camel City Mills socks. I tell you what, these are the best things that were ever recommended to me to keep my feet warm, dry in the wintertime, dry and cool in the summertime. Same socks. I don't have to go out and buy those thick hunting socks that you used to see me wear in the past videos, and that they also ride down with the boots. These stay upright and keep my feet warm. I could probably walk around here in the snow if I wanted to, but I'm not. So go get you some Camel City Mills socks. And I don't even get paid or sponsored by them. What's up with that? I don't know if you saw it, but I'm off the edge in deep snow. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get out of it with the tractor alone, or we may have to test out that new side-by-side winch. We got a little bit of a problem here. Doesn't look like much, but the tractor's left side, front end, is over the hill in deep, deep snow. No matter whether I try to back it out or go forward, just keep digging in to worse condition. So I'm gonna try it one more time. If that don't work, we'll get the winch out on the Honda Pioneer 700. See if we can back it out. not sure this is gonna work. I don't have a good hook point. I need one of those JB Fab work hook or tie down hook points installed on my tractors. Nope. Just to show you naysayers what we were into. But anyway, it wasn't going any way but sideways, the wrong way. suggestion from one of my subscribers' comments was they use a trickle charger on their tractor battery to keep it from dying down or getting weak. So I knew that, but sometimes you all need to remind me. We don't have power out in this barn, so I have to reach it with either extension cords, or I'm looking at some of those battery powered type battery power banks, if you know what I'm talking about. All right. Deer are trying to move back in. Well, don't worry, deer. You can have it. There goes one right over there. There's one right there in front of us. They got busted. That one. Then we got two others right there. Don't they know I need to get out and work in the snow? Well, they're about to find out. All right, folks, that's all we got today. Just got done doing a little cleanup around the property. Had a little trouble with the tractor this morning, as you saw. Wouldn't start, so we had to jump start it. But hopefully we've remedied that problem. Currently, it's on a trickle charger, thanks to the suggestion of one of my subscribers in their comments that they left. Thanks. So we all survived pretty much the snowstorm of the year so far. And then the polar vortex cold snap starting earlier last week and all throughout this past week. And even into this morning, it was -8 at 8 a.m. I think it's now warming up to a balmy 28, 30 degrees, something like that. So it doesn't feel like a heat wave yet. Thanks again for stopping here at Peterson Farms in Nashville. And especially thank you for all those subscribers out there who just recently joined our channel and took a chance on us. We hope you keep coming back and find something that you like. And if you have any suggestions of things you want to see on the channel, leave them in the comment section or email us at petersonfarmsofnashville@gmail.com. I do respond to those emails as well. But thanks for stopping by. God bless you all. Till next time.